age of advanced technology, artificial intelligence is transforming the battlefield, redefining how wars are fought and won. But what does this transformation look like in real-world military operations? And how does it affect the soldiers on the ground? AI is not just a tool, it's a game changer. Today we explore the impact of AI on modern warfare, its applications, and the ethical questions it raises. The journey of AI in the military began decades ago, with computers used for logistics and intelligence. Over time, AI has evolved into a powerful tool, one capable of analyzing vast amounts of data, making real-time decisions, and even operating autonomous systems. For example, the Pentagon's Project Maven uses AI to analyze drone footage, detecting potential threats faster than any human could. From identifying enemy movements to guiding precision strikes, AI has become an integral part of military strategy. AI's applications in modern warfare are as diverse as they are impactful. Let's take a closer look at 3 key areas where AI is making a difference. First, intelligence analysis. AI can process enormous datasets in seconds, finding patterns and anomalies that would take human analysts hours or even days to uncover. For instance, AI has been used to pinpoint enemy hideouts in dense urban areas, saving lives and time. Second, autonomous systems. Drones and unmanned ground vehicles equipped with AI can operate independently, reducing risk to human soldiers. Imagine a drone navigating through rough terrains or conducting surveillance in hostile zones, all without direct human control. Third, cybersecurity. AI defends military networks against ever-evolving cyber attacks, identifying vulnerabilities and reacting instantly to threats. In today's digital battlefield, this capability is essential. For soldiers on the ground, AI is more than just a tool, it's a lifeline. Take Sergeant Michael Davis, for example, a drone operator deployed in the Middle East. Using AI-driven drones, he recalls, we were able to identify threats before they reached us. I remember one mission where the drone spotted an ambush that we couldn't see with the naked eye. It saved lives. Real stories like Michael's demonstrate the profound impact of AI in real-world military operations. But with great power comes great responsibility. The use of AI in warfare raises critical ethical questions. Who is accountable when an AI system makes a mistake? Should machines have the authority to make life or death decisions? Experts warn that as we adopt AI, we must also implement clear regulations to prevent misuse. AI should assist human judgment, not replace it. As AI continues to reshape the battlefield, its potential to save lives and enhance national security is undeniable. However, it's up to us to use this technology responsibly, balancing innovation with ethics. What do you think about AI's role in the military? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the technology shaping our future.